Good day, ladies and gents. Welcome to BK Mathematics. And this is matrices and determinant. The question reads: given matrix A, given as this is giant bracket, you are given 2,3 and 1,4. Then we have to find A, the determinant of A, B, the inverse of A if it exists. Okay, now let's get started. We say solution. Now to start with, this one that we are given, this A matrix that we are given as giant bracket 2,3 and we are given 1,4 close. It can also be represented as just like 2, 3, 1, 4. Okay, you can also represent it as this way. Then from this point you find your determinant, and we know how to find determinant. The diagonal minus non-diagonal, that is the determinant of A, then becomes 2 times 4, that's the diagonal, minus non-diagonals, that is 3 times 1. Then if you do 2 times 4, this is 8 minus 3. Then we know 8 minus 3 giving you 5. Okay, so now this is the determinant of A. It means this is the first one that we have to find. So it means our determinant of A becomes 5. Now B, we have to find the inverse of A if it exists. That is B. To find the inverse, of A, what are we to do here? Remember, we have the matrix of A as 2, 3, 1, 4. Now, to find the inverse, we just need to change the position of the main diagonal, that is the diagonals. We change the position of the diagonals, and we also change the signs of non-diagonals. That is, now we say this becomes, instead of these 2 we have 4, this becomes 4, and this is minus 3. The sign changes, this is minus 1 and this is 2. Okay, so now we have changed the position of the diagonals numbers, and we also change the signs of non-diagonals. Okay, then we apply the same thing like diagonal minus non-diagonals. That is, let's say it continues. Now this the inverse then becomes, that's the inverse of A. We can still write it like this way. Then becomes, we say 4 times 2, okay, minus into minus 3 times minus 1. Then this becomes, this is equals, this is 8 minus into 3, then this is equals 5 also. Okay, now we can say, from this point we can say the inverse of A. Now we have to use this 5 to divide throughout by this matrix. That is, to say 4 minus 3 minus 1, 2, then we divide throughout by 5. Now to do this one, we say that is the A inverse becomes, now we use this 5 to divide throughout by these numbers. That is 4 divided by 5. Now we say minus 1 divided by 5, we say minus 3 divided by 5, and 2 divided by 5 respectively. So this is what we have to find in respect to the problem that we are given. It means this is the inverse of A that we have to find respectively. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure you share, comment, like for everybody to benefit. Love you more.